What's up guys, now I'm showing you how to prank by using petroleum jelly waveform. Hello guys, I'm back. I just skipped it for 1 minute now, and I have my petroleum jelly, and you will just put it in here like that, in like the doorknob or in the car's door. Good. And I see you a demonstration. Please subscribe guys, and like my video, comment or share it. Goodbye peeps.
I'ma try to do the things that you don't. Maybe it's your party, I just wanna play. What's that sound? What's that thing that's got me like wow? I'm trying to be